Hello, in this video I'll show you how to adjust the sound effects volume in Meier Civilization VII. Okay, so the first step of the operation would be either pressing the options in the main menu, or when you're in the game, pressing escape and finding options there. So we shall open the options, and here find the audio section, press it with your mouse, and found SFX volume. And here you can use either the arrows or your mouse to adjust it according to your preference. When you're done with the changes, press confirm changes to save them, and you're done. That's it for this video. If you considered it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.